I bought this 6-foot sliding glass door about 3 years ago. It's not the most expensive model, but it cost me enough that I was mad when the built-in blinds stopped working. The tilt is working, but the operative that raises and lowers the blind has failed. When a standard blind stops working, the cord may be tangled or the mechanism is stuck. You can fix these issues because you have access to the inner workings. With built-in blinds, access is not possible. The blind is permanently sealed within the door. You cannot reach the mechanism without breaking the door. Between the glass blinds operate through the use of magnets. The magnets are engaged when you slide the raise and lower operator. This part here, down the track, raises the blinds accordingly. If the magnets disengage, your blinds will stop working like mine did here. You need to re-engage the magnets. To repair the blinds, start with your operator at the bottom, and then slowly move it up until you find the first magnet. You'll feel some resistance and a click. There it is. Once you got the first magnet, then you continue up and there's the second magnet. And bring the magnet all the way up and push it to lock it in place. You hear the click? And your blinds are now working. As you can see, my blinds are operational again. This was a simple fix for a frustrated problem. No need to call a repairman. You can do this one yourself. Thanks for watching.